Hi, in this video, we will compare two AI platforms like Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. I will create two images from the same prompt, and you will decide the best that suits you. You can get the prompt from the description, so let's start. Wow, I like both results. Both are looking real and product name is also defined. So you have seen how I have used one prompt on two different platforms. You may add on or remove anything from the prompt given in the description. You may specify the product name and how do you want to see it on the product packaging. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now you can generate images using both the platform depending on your requirement. If you want more videos like this, just like and subscribe. Happy designing!